Imagine waking up in 2025 and discovering your business has already made money while you slept. No customer calls, no manual work, just smooth, automatic income flowing in. This is not just a fantasy anymore. Thanks to the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and automation, building a fully automated online business is more achievable than ever. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how you can go from being overworked to running your business on autopilot, using the most up-to-date tools, systems, and strategies available. The first step is choosing a business model that thrives on automation. Not every business model is suited for autopilot, so it is crucial to pick one that is both scalable and compatible with automation tools. In 2025, the best options include digital products like ebooks, online courses and templates, subscription services or memberships, affiliate marketing, dropshipping with artificial intelligence fulfillment, and faceless content monetization through platforms such as YouTube, Pinterest, or TikTok automation. Select a model that matches your strengths and allows for growth without adding manual workload. Now, meet your digital workforce for 2025. Artificial intelligence tools can handle almost every repetitive task in your business. For content creation, ChatGPT can write blog posts, product descriptions, and even reply to emails. Sonic and Jasper are perfect for generating social media content, newsletters, and persuasive sales copy. If you want to turn blog posts into YouTube videos automatically, tools like Pictory and Lumen5 have you covered. For voiceovers in faceless videos, Murf.ai and 11 Labs are leading the way. To connect all your tools and trigger actions without lifting a finger, Zapier and Make.com are essential. With these tools, you transition from being a busy creator to a true business orchestrator. Let us be honest, the real money is in the funnel. To automate your sales and marketing, use platforms like Systeme.io, ClickFunnels, or Kartra to build artificial intelligence-powered sales funnels. Add automated email sequences with MailerLite or ActiveCampaign to nurture leads and close sales. Connect payment processors such as Stripe or PayPal, and once set up, your payment flow becomes hands-off. Track conversions and optimize your process with tools like SurferSEO or Heatmap Analytics. From attracting traffic to completing checkout, every step can be automated, leaving you to simply monitor and optimize as needed. Once you are making sales, it is time to ensure your customers receive their products and support automatically. Deliver digital products through platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Podia. For online courses, Thinkific and Teachable handle everything from enrollment to content delivery. Customer support is streamlined with artificial intelligence chatbots such as Tidio or ManyChat, which respond instantly to inquiries. Comprehensive FAQ sections and help centers further reduce support tickets, ensuring your business runs smoothly without your constant involvement. Automation is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. Instead, it is about setting up your systems and evolving them over time. Use Google Analytics and Fathom Analytics to track your business performance. Continuously test your funnels, emails, and ads, letting artificial intelligence suggest improvements. For tasks that artificial intelligence cannot handle, outsource to freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Keeping your system efficient, your data clear, and your process adaptable is key to long-term success. Several tools make this automated lifestyle possible. Notion AI lets you run your entire business headquarters from one dashboard. Canva Pro enables you to design anything in seconds using artificial intelligence templates. Trello, combined with automations, manages your tasks and deadlines hands-free. Descript allows you to edit podcasts and videos as easily as editing a document. Remember, the goal is not to do everything yourself, but to create systems that do it for you. If you are ready to escape hustle culture and let your business run itself, 2025 is your year. The tools are here, the technology is affordable, and the path is clear. Start small, build smart, and scale big. Drop a comment below. What part of your business are you automating first?